Good morning, everyone. Long time no see. It has been a little while since I've done a vlog of any sort and given you all a life update. But today I thought I would just film a what I eat in a day, kind of a classic. I'm starting off with my coffee. I've kind of slightly switched it up. Instead of oat milk, I am using the Fairlife skim milk just for some extra protein in the morning. That is what is up. Also still doing the coconut cult dupe, the kefir cult that we have in Canada. I am basically out of it right now, so I need to go get some more. Also 2 fiber gummies, always important. We are about to actually head out. My boyfriend slept over. We are going to this like sauna and cold plunge place. We went last Monday and it was so beautiful and so nice. A really great way to start our week, so we're gonna do that again today. I have some more life updates, but I will talk about those a little bit later because I'm still waking up and it's 8:38 and our session's at 9. So we need to get ready and head out, but this is how I'm starting my day. Just quickly uploading a self-tape before we head out because for some reason last night it wasn't submitting, so need to do that this morning. Okay, I am back from the spa now. My boyfriend went to work. I'm just cooking up some breakfast, 2 eggs, and I think it was like 2 ounces of ground chicken that I have left over. This is not my typical breakfast, but I have ground chicken that I need to eat up, and it would be way too much for me to eat in a single sitting tonight. So yeah, I'm just cooking up some scrambled eggs with that. Might have something else on the side. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I'm kind of like vibing with this, and then I'm just drinking water. I drank a ton of hibiscus lemon tea when I was at the spa. It was really great. And then probably after I'm done doing this, I'm going to make a strawberry matcha. I've been obsessed with these for the summertime, like literally so good. And the recipe for that is on my shorts or on my TikTok if you want to make it yourself. It's delicious, highly recommend. But yeah, just gonna cook some breakfast.
Not gonna lie about that. And I'm having rice cakes and I'll be able to help me get myself back to work.
$1,100. That is just like how much it would cost.
Okay, so I've just packed my lunch for work. I am starting at 1:15, so in about 30 minutes here. Oh my gosh, my skin is looking very red. Oops. But yeah, here's my lunch. I'll show you what I'm eating. Okay, so this bag has some green grapes, some radishes, some carrots at the bottom for dipping in my cottage cheese. This has like a little bit of cheese powder on top and pepper, lots of pepper. 2 little baby bells, and then a diet ginger ale, a diet Coke for a little bit of a caffeine boost mid-afternoon, and then another water. And that is everything I'm bringing. Okay, I just got home from work. It is 8:14. I walked with my new coworker to go get some bubble tea. She's never had bubble tea before. I got a lychee green tea with 0 sweetener and coconut jelly and tapioca. So good. And then I also had a little pack of those Welch's fruit snacks at work, and that is what I had during my shift today, including my lunch that you saw earlier. I'm so full right now. Probably gonna make dinner in a little bit. I work really early at 7, so I don't know, probably won't eat too late. But yeah, that is what I'm up to right now. Hello everyone. Oh, lighting is just horrendous. Classic. It is 9:51. I'm gonna head to bed soon, but I'm under my protein intake for the day and I'm under my calories, and I know that I should finish up my chicken because today's the last day it's good. So I'm gonna make a little dinner. It's gonna be small, but I want to do like little lettuce cups just to eat up what I have left. So I'm gonna make that now and I'll show you what it ends up being. Okay, I majorly lied to you. I thought my lettuce was more cuppy than that. It's very much giving not lettuce cups. So I'm just doing a little bit of lettuce on the bottom. I'm not super hungry and I've had a lot of vegetables today in my lunch, so I'm not too worried about my fiber intake. Just want something light. Okay, 20 grams of lettuce. That's like literally nothing. And then I think this is probably gonna be about like 3 ounces of chicken. Oh yeah, I was right. 3.1 ounces of chicken. And I'm gonna do some cottage cheese as well. And probably not too much, to be honest. I had cottage cheese for lunch, so what is that? It's a bit more than that. Okay. Oh. Don't know where that went. Okay. 50 grams of cottage cheese. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce on top. Just been doing Maggi seasoning. It's like similar to soy. It's really good. I think the sodium levels on this are a little bit crazy, but you know what? You just can't win them all. And this stuff is so good. Okay, that is my dinner. Let me show you. Delicious. I will keep you posted. I might have a few dark chocolate almonds and a tea before I go to bed, but I'm gonna eat this and then see how I feel. Just made my breakfast for tomorrow. Pretty full from dinner, so I'm taking a little probiotic and then I'm gonna make some tea and then I'm gonna head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see and I will totally post them. A lot of my content has been health and wellness oriented, but in the next coming months I definitely want to vlog my New York trip and my Japan trip. So let me know if you're interested in seeing that content at all. Also, I kind of wanted to talk about my perioral dermatitis journey. My skin is like pimply right now because I was on set for 2 days and my makeup was heavy and obviously not my own, so my skin wasn't used to it. But yeah, my skin was doing really well right before that. So once this is cleared up, I do want to talk about my dermatitis journey a little bit. If you're interested in that, let me know. But other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be sooner than this last gap. Sorry about that. Okay, good night.